Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the O-rings that are located inside the machine on top of the boiler because the boiler was leaking, and we also had to replace the three-way valve on the machine itself. That three-way valve takes care of delivering water through the group head, and as they get older they start buzzing, and the little hole that actually pushes water through it, starts getting clogged up, and then it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, we did that. We replaced the three-way valve on the machine. We sealed the boiler, make sure there were no any leaks or any steam coming out through there, and we also cleaned the grinder. We disassembled the boards, cleaned around the grinder, calibrated this as well, remove the tampering mechanism as well, clean it. We've been testing it already, so it has a bit of coffee as well. We have to test it. So now we're gonna be doing an espresso shot. So I'm using our test coffee, as I say, and we're using the 17 setting of the grinder. Have not programmed anything on the buttons over here, so the same volume that the customer has is still there. You can program them by going to the menu and selecting each shot, and then program each shot. Nice stamp. Good. And now we can do that espresso shot. This machine takes approximately 9 seconds to 8 seconds of pre-infusion, and once it does that, it will push water through the group head and it will just start extracting. As you can see, 17 setting is very fine for this machine. Let's try to do that shot like around 20. Okay, we're already doing the shot again. Now we're on the 21 setting of the grinder. And again, we're using our test coffee. Nice stamp, nice grind. A much better flow coming out of the machine. It probably needs to be around 23s for this setting to actually have a nice steady stream coming out to the portafilter. And even though we're doing a over-extracted shot, it's still having a nice steady stream coming out from the portafilter, and we're still gonna get good crema. Tiny little shot with a good layer of crema coming out. As you can see, flow coming out of the group head is nice. That will be pre-infusion. And that will be extraction. It's excellent flow coming out to the group head. No buzzing noise. Working excellent. Hot water as well. Working nice with a nice steady stream coming out to the 1-2. And steam is ready to go with excellent pressure and really good flow coming out through the gas. Excellent temperatures. So there you have it, Breville Barista Oracle working, Breville Oracle working once again. Thank you so much for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit a like, hit a bell, and thanks for watching.